Every time your phone asks you to update, there's one button most people press: Remind me later. And hackers absolutely love it. Not because they can hack you instantly, but because that one click tells them something about your device. And once you understand what that signal means, you'll never look at software updates the same way again.
Most people treat software updates like chores, something annoying, something you'll get to later. After all, your phone still works, nothing seems broken, so pressing Remind Me Later feels harmless. But updates aren't just about new features or fixing bugs. Most of the time, they exist for a very different reason. They close security holes. Every major operating system constantly discovers vulnerabilities in their software. Sometimes those vulnerabilities are small. Other times, they're doors hackers can walk straight through. And when developers find one of those doors, they release an update to close it, which means every update isn't just maintenance, it's a patch for a real weakness. But here's the part most people don't realize. When that patch gets released, hackers download it too.
You might think hackers love the Remind Me Later button because it leaves your phone vulnerable longer. And yes, that's part of it. But that's not the real reason. The real reason begins the moment the update is released, because hackers analyze the update itself. They download the new version, compare it to the old version, and look for exactly what changed. This process is called patch diffing. Think of it like comparing two blueprints of a building. One blueprint is the old version. The other blueprint shows the doors that were just sealed shut. Once you compare them, you immediately know where the weakness used to be. And if millions of devices still haven't installed that patch, those devices are still vulnerable. Now, hackers know exactly where to look. They use internet scanning tools like Shodan and Nmap to identify systems that match those older versions. Now, your phone usually isn't directly exposed on the internet through cellular networks, but every website you visit and every public Wi-Fi network you connect to can see information about your device, including things like your operating system and browser version, which means unpatched systems can still reveal themselves during normal internet activity. So when you delay an update, you're not just postponing a fix, you're staying inside the group of devices that hackers already know how to target. Your phone might feel like a private device, but in reality, it's part of a massive ecosystem of devices running the same software. And when a vulnerability appears, it rarely affects just one phone. Sometimes it affects millions. And sometimes the vulnerability is so severe that you don't even need to click anything. In 2015, security researchers discovered a flaw in Android called Stagefright. It existed inside Android's media processing system, which meant simply receiving a specially crafted MMS message could trigger the exploit. The phone would process the malicious media automatically. No tapping, no downloading, no interaction required. Just receiving the message could be enough. At the time, hundreds of millions of Android devices were potentially vulnerable. Google released a patch, but many devices remained unpatched for weeks or months, which meant attackers suddenly knew two things: where the vulnerability existed and which devices were most likely still exposed. So the next time your phone asks you to update and you press Remind Me Later, just remember, hackers aren't waiting. They're watching for the systems that do.